So now normal says 326. So on these newer Miele 7000, 5000 series dishwashers, the top control, which is here, is one board. And then there's another board, a power control, in the lower right-hand corner. Power control is just plug and play, but if you put a control board in, it requires a variant programming. So you need the MDU with the Miele software, and there's a tag on the side of the dishwasher here that has an NR number and like a type of model number that you need to program. The directions will be on the screen as to which numbers to choose. There's actually a plate with circles that it tells you what to put in, provided that you get the proper USB connection, and this is blinking when it's installed and ready to go. The variant programming takes literally under 5 minutes complete. Once it starts, it takes under 5 minutes complete. And that's it. How to complete a variant programming on a newer Miele dishwasher. You have to have your MDU software with your laptop and your connection here. On the newer dishwashers, it goes through the salt light. So your suction cup is on the stainless steel, and the infrared goes right through the salt light.